Welcome, my dear friend. Earlier video, we start Science 2 topic number 9 environmental management, and we study weather and climate, changes in weather, meteorology, Indian meteorology departments, monsoon model and climatic predictions. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the solid waste management need of the hour. Means it is a very important today's in our day-to-day life. Huh? In a this is in a present tense. This is now most important factors, that is solid waste management. In our school also we observe the dustbins. Whatever the garbage is there in dustbin, it includes the wrappers of chocolates, papers, bottles, or other substances are included in our school dustbin, right? Similarly, if you see on a road, whatever the waste materials are there, all these waste materials generated by our activities, only by our activities. Somewhere we can see the cloths, plastic bags, papers, plastic bottles, all these togetherly called as a solid waste. The waste materials generated by our daily activities, that is called as a solid waste. If these waste materials are properly disposed, or then it is become the valuable source of energy. But if not they properly disposed, then it causes the water pollution and the soil pollution. So they causes the serious problems in our life, that is the water and the soil pollutions. Solid waste is a serious problem, it's a major problem throughout the world, because it will be causes or affects economical growth, environmental degradations, and the human health also. So it is need to dispose properly. म्हणून आपल्याला काय करायला लागेल, त्यांना डिस्पोज करायला लागेल. प्रॉपरली डिस्पोज करायचं म्हणजे नेमकं काय करायचं, तर त्याला योग्य प्रकारे त्याचं वेगळीकरण, सेपरेशन करायचं त्याला, आणि त्यांना त्यांचं संख्या, त्यांचे प्रमाण कमी करायचं. If we not properly dispose, then they may be causes air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollutions. Okay, because our daily activities in our day-to-day life, they are responsible for the pollutions. But some of these substances our solid wastes we are produce, they are reusable. They can be reused or can be made again for our purpose. There are two types of the solid wastes are there. Mainly there are two types solid wastes. Which are these two types? The solid waste can be called as a biodegradable. Biodegradable means which are easily degraded. डिग्रेड म्हणजेच काय होतं, कुजले जातात. डिग्रेडेड बाय मायक्रोब्स. विच आर देअर, विच दोज? इट इन्क्लूड्स किचन वेस्टेज, घरामध्ये झालेला वेस्ट कचरा, मग त्यामध्ये स्पॉइल्ड फूड, फ्रूट्स, वेस्ट व्हेजिटेबल्स आर देअर, ॲश, soil, cow dung, plants parts. These are included as a biodegrade. Okay, because they can be decomposed. Such wastes are called as a wet solid waste or the wet garbage, किंवा त्यांना वेट गार्बेज म्हणतात. दुसरा आहे नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. दॅट मीन्स नॉट इझिली डिग्रेड, जे कुजत नाही, जे निसर्गामध्ये ॲज इट इज दे आर found or which require long time period for degrade. Such substances are called as a dry solid waste. They are called as a dry solid waste or dry garbage. मग कोणतं आहे यातला? तर इट इन्क्लूड्स प्लास्टिक, राईट, मेटल किंवा असं काही सम अदर मटेरियल्स आहेत they cannot be degraded within a short time. Such substances are called as a non-degradable. Now there is a electronic devices like a cell phone, televisions, iPhone, radios, okay, calculator. These are also devices causes the waste which are called the e-waste. E means electronic waste. This waste is also harmful to our living. See, in your textbook the chart is given how the harmful effects of solid waste can be seen. Solid waste is harmful to the biodiversity. It can be seen the effect on biodiversity. Biodiversity can be get destructed because of this solid waste, as well as the bad odor of waste. Bad odor, durgandhi pasarte. Production of toxic gases due to this solid waste. The toxic poisonous gases are produced. Natural beauty is degraded. Air pollution is there, water pollution, soil pollution, and it also causes the spreading of disease. So it is very dangerous, and that is why it is need to management. So it is need, there is a necessity of the solid waste management. How we will be manage or the control? There are 4 principles. Why should we manage these waste? For first one is that for preventing environmental pollution. To prevent the environmental pollution, it is required to manage properly, right? So that our surrounding will be keep clean. Then second is for energy, to get a lot of energy, as well as the fertilizers. If we manage this solid waste, then the energy and the fertilizers can be produced by using this solid wastage. Then third is that to reduce the strain on natural resources. If we maintain it, then strain on natural resources can be reduced. Then fourth one is that to improve health. These are the 4 principles so that we have to manage the waste. It is nowadays it is become need of the hour to implement the solid waste management practices to avoid the air pollution, soil pollution, water pollutions, or the problems generated because of the solid waste, so that our environment is get clean. मग काय करायचं नेमकं इथे? We have to increase the efficiency of production processes. So here we have to increase efficiency of production process. So what happens? Because of that, the minimum waste will be produced. So that what happens? Minimum waste will produce, we have to do some actions. One is the increase efficiency. Hmm? Then reduce the garbage production. But how it will be reduced? It is by our responsibility. Then recycling, by recycling and the reuse, we can reduce the use of other garbage productions. Okay, so those are the importance. There are scientific and eco-friendly waste managements are there. We can do it by scientifically. How? uh, by scientific and eco-friendly waste management, we have to separate and categorize the wastage, degradable, non-degradable, separate them by using for composting the degradable substances. Then safe landfill sites. Sometimes the waste throwing anywhere, without that, if we use them for landfill sites, then it is also useful. Vermicomposting, we can use them for vermicomposting, म्हणजे खत निर्मितीसाठी. Industrial solid waste can be also used to fill the land site, म्हणजे भराव करणारी वापरायचं आहे. Then pyrolysis, that is the energy production by burning of waste, means some waste material can be burned by high temperature, so that by using them biogas or the bioelectricity can be generated. This is called as pyrolysis, means by using the waste energy is produced. And the biomedical waste management is also important, so that the it avoid the diseases. Okay, so that is why we can maintain the or manage the waste management by eco-friendly. There are 7 principles are there, 7 principles by which we can manage the waste. One is the reuse. Reuse means use again and again. Instead of throwing it, use again. So the continuous use is called as a reuse. The second was a refuse. Refuse means avoid such or refuse such as object which are the non-degradable. Means plastic object or the thermal object. Refuse to use it. Recycle. Third one is the recycle. Use again and again. Means paper and glass can be recycled. Do not throw in a garbage. It sent to the recycle purpose. Then rethink. Means rethink about our habits, bad habits, our activities. If we perform our activities, then rethink whether these activities is harmful to the environment or not. Then reduce our restriction of use of resources, avoid their wastage. So reduce the our requirements. We should share the one thing in many. Okay, so use and throw type of objects should be avoided. Okay, so that's will be reduce our requirements. And research, that is important. So we have to research in materials or the objects, so that we can use them for a long time. असं काही ऑब्जेक्ट रिसर्च करायचं त्याचा जास्तीत जास्त उपयोग आहे. टेम्पररी subjects should be get out of use. Okay, then regulation and public awareness, that is important. By laws and rules, the waste management can be controlled by awareing the people लोकांमध्ये जागृती करायची and motivating the other peoples. Okay, our some habits are also responsible for waste management or waste production. There are 3 mantra. We have to follow the 3 mantra. जर आपण आपला हॅबिट चेंज केला तर कोणत्या हॅबिट त्यामध्ये आपल्याला 3 मंत्र पण अप्लाय करायचे आपल्यामध्ये. त्यामध्ये कोणती? रेड्यूस, रियूज, रिसायकल. कमी वापर करा, पुन्हा वापर करा आणि पुनर्सायकल करा, पुनर्चक्रीकरण करा, म्हणजे पुन्हा ते तयार. देन do not throw the plastic wrappers or the chocolates or anywhere. It should be thrown only in a dustbin. Then avoid plastic bags. Plastic bags are use कमी करायचं आहे. Then using both sides of paper. Use the both sides of paper for writing. काही मुलांना सवय आहे फक्त एकाच साईडला लिहायचं, दुसऱ्या साईडचा यूज करायचा नाही. अवॉइड दॅट, म्हणजे त्यातून काय होईल, पेपरचा वापर कमी होईल. देन अवॉइड यूज ऑफ टिश्यू पेपर. यूज युअर हँकरचीफ. काही लोक चेहरा पुसण्यासाठी टिश्यू पेपरचा वापर करतात. मग त्याच्याऐवजी आपला हात रुमाल वापरायचा, हँकरशिप यूज करायचा. यूज रिचार्जेबल बॅटरी, रिचार्जेबल जी बॅटरी रिचार्ज होईल इन्स्टॉल ऑफ लीड बॅटरी एकदा वापरली की ती टाकून द्यावी लागते. मग इन्स्टॉल दॅट यूज रिचार्जेबल बॅटरी. देन इम्प्लिमेंटेशन व्हेरियस प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट्स अँड एज्युकेशन्स इन अ सोसायटी ऑर इन आवर फॅमिली. म्हणजे आपल्या फॅमिलीमध्ये पण आपण या प्रोग्रामचं इम्प्लिमेंटेशन आपल्या फॅमिलीतील लोकांनाही याबद्दल सांगायला पाहिजे. वी हॅव टू टीच देम, वी हॅव टू एज्युकेट देम about the implementations of various solid waste management programs. And last one is आपले ही एक आपले हॅबिट आहे, अवॉइड यूज अँड थ्रो टाईप ऑफ आर्टिकल्स. अवॉइड यूज अँड थ्रो टाईप ऑफ द आर्टिकल्स. So we can reduce the solid waste management. Here the some garbage is given, separation of garbage is given. Here we can come to know that the solid waste generated around us is a very long and serious problems, and it affects the environment, and therefore we have to separate them before collection, so it can be easy to destroy. Here we know that eco-friendly waste management can be achieved if we separate. If we keep the paper in a paper dustbin, glasses in a glass dustbin, plastic and the metal in a. So what happens? So it is easily recycled again. Wet waste and the dry waste can be, kitchen waste can be also separated from our kitchen. Then it is easy to use or recycle them. Okay, or avoid the pollutions, and it is easy to control our management. Okay, so those are the important of waste management. Okay, next period we will see disaster management. Thank you so much.